Hi Savers, in this video we are discussing how to actually file for bankruptcy. In the last video we discussed preparing for filing for bankruptcy. In this video we're discussing the steps, step by step, of actually how to file for bankruptcy. Alright, one thing you might not know, everyone who files for bankruptcy has to take a credit counseling course that's approved by the Department of Justice. This course is designed to make sure that bankruptcy is the right way forward for you. I know we've gone through a lot of videos right now about if bankruptcy is the right way forward for you. The Department of Justice wants to know that too. The course takes about an hour to complete, either online or over the phone, believe it or not. There is no in-person course. If you are an in-person person, I am very sorry. But there is a live person you have to speak to. The fee for the course is variable, so that means it changes by your income, but expect it to be around $25. It could be waived if you don't make enough money. Once you finish the course, keep your certificate of completion and put it in your bankruptcy file. You know, that file that we've been talking about, or talked about at least in the last video? Second thing you do, fill out your bankruptcy forms. Be exact and reference all the documentation you pulled earlier in the preparation video. There are 23 forms, which total over 70 pages of questions. This is where you have a choice. You could do it all yourself, or you could work with an attorney. These forms are what a judge will look at to see if you really can't pay your bills or if you're looking for a way out of debt to rip someone off, also known as fraud. It's the best idea to work with an attorney on these forms. At this point, you'll need that expert advice about what to do to see if you're missing anything, any little piece of the pie, anything you could be forgetting. It is the attorney's job to make sure that you have everything you need. Any little mistake could cost time and money to fix, and mistakes are not tolerated by the court of law. If you're willing to take a chance, there is bankruptcy software that mimics what an attorney would do, but it's not perfect. You want a human brain on this one, I'm telling you. Second, have your bankruptcy filing fee at the ready. Oh, that's third. Have your bankruptcy filing fee at the ready. In addition to attorney fees, there's a standard fee for filing for bankruptcy. For Chapter 7, it's $335. For Chapter 13, it's $310. Here's the catch. You cannot pay this filing fee through a credit card, all right? You have to pay the exact amount by check or cash to the court in person. If you don't have the money to cover the filing fee, you can sign up for a payment plan that has a maximum, a max of 4 payments over 4 months. If you absolutely cannot pay this and there is no way to get the money, then apply for a fee waiver. Application does not mean you'll get it though. So if there's any way, try to come up with the filing fee, pay it in cash or check to the court in person. All right. Fourth, print your bankruptcy forms on single-sided 8.5 by 11 paper, or the court will not accept them. Each bankruptcy court could be a little different in how many copies of each form they want. So check with your local bankruptcy court, Google it, go to their .gov website to figure out exactly how many copies of each form that court wants, okay? Also, keep a copy of every single form for yourself. Put it in your little bankruptcy file. Once you're 100% sure, you've checked, you've double-checked, you've triple-checked, you have the forms completely filled out and printed single-sided with the right number of copies, sign and date each one. copy that, put it in your file. Okay, now it's time to actually file for bankruptcy. Go to your local courthouse, local one, through security, and to the clerk's office. You have your big bankruptcy file, you have all the forms that they need, you have the number of copies they need, you have everything clearly labeled. Walk into the clerk's office and say, this is all you have to say, I'm here to file for bankruptcy. Hand the clerk your bankruptcy forms, your credit counseling course certificate, and the filing fee in exact change or forms for the waiver or payment plan. Ask how long it will take to scan and upload the forms. Unless it's super busy, you're looking at a total of maybe 30 minutes at the courthouse to file for bankruptcy. When the clerk is finished, he or she will give you your bankruptcy case number. Write this down. He or she will give you the bankruptcy case number, the name of your bankruptcy trustee, and the date, time, and location of your meeting with your trustee. This is your meeting of the creditors, okay? At this point, you have filed for bankruptcy, and creditors can no longer contact you to collect on the debt. Your wages can no longer be garnished, and if you have a foreclosure on your house currently in process, it'll be put in pause. This is just the beginning, though, okay? There's a lot of hard work ahead of you. Those are the protections that bankruptcy gives you. But the hard work for you to do is right ahead of you. Stay tuned to see what else you have to do after you've filed for bankruptcy.